Good morning, children. From Little Bird School. Today I am taking your social science subject of standard 7th, the chapter number 3, Government. You must have come across to know the word government in newspaper, radio and TV. Yes, you must be hear this word government from where? From newspaper, radio and TV. Then the question arises in our mind that what is government? What function does it perform? And what is its importance in our lives? Yes, children, this all the question rises in our mind. So we shall discuss this all the question in detail from this chapter. You must be aware that a country needs a government to make a laws as per its constitution, take a decisions and implement them. Yes, children, you have to know that a country needs a government. For what? To make a laws as per its constitution and taking an important decisions and implement on them. For example, where should schools and roads be constructed? Yes, children, schools and roads where it should be constructed. Should the rates of different commodities be increased or decreased? It means different commodities means whatever the things which we used in our daily life, that is known as commodities. So government decides that if the rate is decreases or increases. How to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone? Yes, government has to ensure that electricity is supplied to each and every houses of the villages, towns as well as in cities. Decisions such as these are usually taken by the government. This all the decisions, important decisions taken only by the government. Thus the government perform a very important function. Yes, government plays a very important role and government plays an important function. We come to know about the government's work through media. Whatever the work of the government, from where did we know? Through the media. Then children, our next topic is functions of the government. The government is like a managing committee. What? The government is like a managing committee. They manage all the situation or handle all the situations, whatever the situation it is. Usually in the democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. Yes, children, see, usually in the democracy, the government work as per the wishes of the people. Whatever the people want or need, from the sake of the people, for the welfare of the people, government work as per their wishes. The government also take various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. Yes, children, government also take an important decisions and also take a various steps of economic problems. It means financial problem as well as the social problems. It is concerned about the nation's economic conditions and problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. For the welfare of the nation or for the sake of the nation, government take many of the important decisions, and for the economic conditions, it means for the financial condition, to improve the financial condition of the people. What are the problems like that? Problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. It also provides various facilities like making a low priced food grains available through ration shops. It means government also provide to the poor people that they can get a food grains in a very low price. So government can open the ration shops for them. Assistance during disaster and calamities. Government also manage the situation whenever the disaster and calamities are occurred, establishing educational institutions and hospitals, and run services like transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. The government also maintain friendly relations with other countries. For the welfare of the country or for the sake of the people, government establishing educational institutions, it means schools and colleges, government hospitals, run the services like transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. The government also maintain the relations, the friendly relations with other countries. Now, children, importance of government. See, the government is necessary to ensure that law is same for everyone. Yes, government ensure. It means government give the surety that law is same for everyone. It means law is equal for each and every people, rather they are poor or middle class family or rich people, but law is equal for everyone. It frames laws and sees that it is implemented by the concerned authorities and the police. Yes, government implemented the laws and they also see that all the people as well as the police, they can follow the law. A very important function of the government is to make rules and regulations whenever there is a public gathering. Yes, government make an important decision on important rules and regulations for what? When the people are meeting in the public gathering. The government thus play a vital role in maintaining the law, order, peace and also ensures the development of the nation. Yes, the government plays a very important role. Vital role means important role. For what? For maintaining the laws, order and peace, and also ensure, and they will also give the surety for the development of the nations. So children, up to this, next portion we will continue in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.